Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage tonight, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I have a mail call for you guys and a couple of pretty cool, I think hopefully pretty cool local finds. But I already got a couple of these, and hopefully these ones work. First thing I got here is a looks like it's new in box. This one is opened up. The other one that I have that I found was actually unopened. This one, the tape has been cut on it, but it doesn't look like it's ever been pulled out of the box. But we're going to go ahead and get this guy out. It does come with a precision 4-power scope. So, but there's our precision 4-power scope. Very funny. And so the other one I have of these is a really good shooter. So the reason I think it may have never been opened is because it was open on this end, and you actually got to open this other end to get the gun to pull out because it's of the packing material. Let me get my true blade out. These pump masters are, this is a 66 4X model, which just is a Crosman 66 with the 4X scope. Here we go. But it's still got the wire tie around it. It's got the Crosman Pel oil there. Nothing else in the box. Still has the wire tie around it where it was closed from the factory. So let me see here. 0962. I don't know how to read that. That production number. I'll try to figure that out later. But these were made in the 90s, so. Ooh, oh, I think I got it. The pump cup was off from the, just had that recently, kind of something similar to that happened. Put a little oil in there before we continue. Sounds like it's going to work. I don't have any downrange cam or anything set up, so oh yeah, building some pressure, shooting pretty good. So there you go, the Power Master 66. So somewhere along the way they started calling the 760 the Pump Master instead of the Power Master, and started calling like the 2100 and started calling the 66 the Power Master. So the other one I think is pretty cool. I didn't pay hardly anything for this. This is a Marksman, one of those little Springer jobbers, but I think just the box and the contents of the box is worth more than what I paid for it. It's still got the original instructions. It's got a nice old tin of Crosman Super Pels. I think that's probably worth what I paid for this whole thing. But these are pretty cool. So far I haven't been able to get one of these that actually worked, but this one's pretty cool, still in the original box. But you cock that back and then you flip this up. You can put, let's try a pellet first. I've actually found that these do a lot better with BBs. All right. It went out. I couldn't tell. It didn't seem like a lot of power, but it hit the target across the garage. That's encouraging. Maybe needs a little oil. Let me try a BB here. Oh. So the BBs, you can load this upper magazine area here. I'll put just a couple in there. So now, when you rock that back, it's going to let one fall down in there. Supposed to. There it goes. Yeah, that's doing a lot better. I've always found that these, even when they did work, never shot BBs really, or pellets very well. All right, that's nice. I think that's the last one. Yep. All right, so those are the two local finds. Let me put all this stuff back here. So now this next package, I've had this for a day or two here, but this is coming in from one of my subscribers. He was actually one of the fellas that won in the July giveaway, and he wanted to send something over kind of as a thanks, I guess. But his name's Kurt. We'll just leave it at that. Kurt. He chose to get the 760, and he's really liking that. So he said he was going to post a video up about some special way to load this or open this up or something, but he hasn't done that yet. So I decided I'd get out here and take my chances and open it up. Sure if this box is, the outer box is original or something, just packed it in. Rectangle award clear. I don't know. But ooh. I like that. That's a surprise, but that's really nice. I love barbecue sauce. Is it I wonder if it's spicy. I like spicy barbecue sauce too. That's pretty cool. What else do we got? We got anything else in here? Something in here. What do we have? I don't know. Alright, let's see here. Really cool stuff. It says, howdy nibs, keep the knife and the penny, give the token a good home. The sauce is my pick for a Kansas City barbecue sauce. If you're ever in the area, suggest Q39 or Jack Stack for a nice family dinner, or Zarda's or Joe KC for a good sandwich. Kurt. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got an old penny. Let's see what this penny is here. 1940 something. Wheat penny. That's pretty cool. We have a Where Will You Spend Eternity coin. That's pretty cool. Seen those before. And I guess there's something special inside of this little package here. It's small. Oh yeah, I like that. So he said something about a special way to open this where you won't All right, well, that's got me befuddled. It's a nice little penknife, but it doesn't have a thumb groove to put your thumbnail in to open the thing up with. How do you open this thing? All right, there's got to be some magic switch or something here that lets it unlock, but I can't figure it out. Anybody knows how to open this little knife up? It's I just tried gently to lift the blade up with a little screwdriver in there, and it's locked up tight. So I thought maybe it's got to be pretty simple and stupid, but I don't know. It's a mystery for now. I'll do a follow-up video on this later on when I finally figure it out. It looks like a pretty cool old penknife. I really love these old penknives. I have my collection of old stuff right here. I've got some similar old stuff, old Camillus stuff right here. I've got a couple other ones in the house. Got some nice old bucks that are Camillus bucks. Some Camillus 100-year anniversary little jobbers. But that's pretty cool. Thank you, Kurt. We'll figure it out eventually. I will definitely be getting some stuff out and trying that barbecue sauce this weekend. But hope you guys liked the video. Some pretty cool stuff here. Fun little pellet pistol, or well, call it a pellet pistol, but it's a it's a BB pistol. It did come with some darts too. Maybe I'll have to try the darts with it as well. Till next time, have a great day.